how to select different levels in Fire Kirin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select different levels in order to play. First of all, open the application. Now here, you'll be able to see this Phoenix Legend. Simply tap on Phoenix Legend. So here, you can see different levels that are available on the top from newbie to VIP role. So you can select any one of these. So what's the difference here? Here there's a huge difference in the betting. So the amount that you use will be very much different in each level. So simply tap on the one that you want to play, and here you can tap on this any one of these arrow. So here I'm inside the game. Now you can start playing, and here you can even see the bid that is available on the bottom. So try bidding accordingly and try winning the game also. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.